Hi everybody, this is Martin, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of something very special. Yeah, it was an unplanned purchase. I saw it on a page as an open box, and I was very curious. I wasn't really, it wasn't the time for me to upgrade to a new iPhone just yet, and I'm already indicating something. So this is an iPhone. It's the iPhone 17 Pro Max. They just had it in one color, so I didn't really have a choice. It's the orange one, but this is the 2 TB version. Yeah, so let's get to it. It's an open box, so it's gonna be, an unbox of an unbox, but it is what it is, as good as it gets. I am still very, very, very excited about this because it's a pretty incredible phone. So let me try to dig into this box. How did they close it? It's always a little bit of a struggle. These packages. I don't understand how this is closed. So not that. Not this. Yeah. Well, let's have some fun together. Okay, this is it. Unwrapping and more unwrapping. What I'm very interested in is to see what this new iPhone looks like next to the AirPods Max in color orange. So they did say it's an open box, and it's not really that open to me. So it comes in a foil. I wonder if that foil is the original foil. Does Apple have a foil? I don't think they have a foil. So yeah, it has definitely been put into a foil. I'm taking the foil off. And yes, it is open. It is open. Oh, but it's only open from one side. So this sticker, that's interesting. So only one sticker is open. I had no idea that you can actually open this with just one sticker and it still opens like that. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Okay, and here's the phone. So let me take out the phone, and there's the cable. So everything is like originally wrapped. Nothing has been done. This is still wrapped originally. Or is there, maybe you see there's a little bit of a bubble. Uh like the slight bubble. Maybe this was unpeeled a little bit, but for the most part I can't tell. It looks very much peeled on to me. Yeah, absolutely brand new, just and slightly open box. But now, the magic reveal. Look at that. I think it matches quite nicely. What do you say? Yeah, I think it does. I love it. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been an unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange color, the 2 TB version. Now the question probably everyone is asking, myself included, who needs a 2 TB iPhone? I don't know. Someone would say, oh, maybe if you have a lot of photos, but I have 2.5 TB of photos. They don't already, they don't fit into my 2 TB iCloud anyways. So who is this for? Yeah, I don't know. We shall see. We shall see who it's for. Yeah. Anyhow, thanks for watching. See you in another video.